Greetings, it's Eric Bakker, the Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. We're into video 2. Let's talk about slowing down. When your gut plays up, or your symptoms play up, or your Candida overgrowth or SIBO plays up, what's your first instinct? What's the first thing that you normally want to do? Take more supplements? Cut foods from your diet? See another doctor? Go harder? Now that instinct is what makes many Candida overgrowth and SIBO programs backfire for people, unfortunately. Stage 1 is not about killing or attacking anything. It's about calming your system so that real deep-seated healing can actually take place. And again, I'd like to remind you of something which we spoke about in video 1. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to rush this. You don't need to push through barriers. So you've tried all of the diets, the elimination diets, strong antifungals, pharmaceutical antifungals. You've tried powerful probiotics. You've tried all kinds of cleansers. And you only come out feeling worse? Well, you're not broken. Your gut wasn't really prepared properly. And it's something I commonly see. Gut problems don't happen overnight. When you've got a condition like Candida overgrowth, or SIBO, or irritable bowel syndrome, or inflammatory bowel disease, it could be psoriasis. These conditions build very slowly over a prolonged period of time. There are many triggers that keep them going. Could be weeks, could be months, could be years before you even feel symptoms like gas, like bloating, like reflux, like sleeping problems, mood disorders. All these come over a period of time. And by the time the symptoms are loud, your nervous system is already overloaded and it's yelling at you like an angry teenager. What about you when your nervous system is really stressed through prolonged low-grade chronic stress? Well, your digestion starts to slow right down. This is why rushing into strong cleanses and miracle cures often backfires. Let's look at remove actually means, what stage 1 actually means. So remove is not about extreme carb restrictions, it's not about biological warfare, and it's certainly not about aggressive detox. It's all about clearing the runway. It's about getting the path clean, so it makes it a lot easier for healing to follow. So what we're trying to achieve, we're trying to reduce obviously dietary triggers like junk food. I call the top tier junk. We're trying to improve your bowel regularity, and we're trying to remove stagnation and reduce inflammation in the gut. Many people have inflammatory kind of conditions today, not necessarily inflammatory bowel disease. So we're trying to calm the gut right down, therefore reduce inflammation and speed up healing. It's that simple. When you create space for the gut and reduce inflammation, the body can start slowly healing itself. And this step is skipped. I've seen even the most advanced protocols fail. Don't forget this, preparation determines outcome every time. Let's talk about how slow progress beats a fast setback. One of the top mistakes I've seen for decades is a sense of urgency behind getting better. People want everything faster, bigger, cleaner. People try and fix everything at once. They restrict too hard. They take too many supplements. They think that pushing through barriers is how you get better. Well, it's not. Instead of asking yourself, how can I fix this? Like your body's like a broken tap. How can I support my gut through healing? That's the better question to ask. Just having that one mindset can change everything when it comes to getting better. Now let's talk about the little nervous system piece, how that fits into this whole puzzle. Because when you've got chronic low-grade stress, your stomach acid starts to decline. It drops off. Your enzyme production starts bottoming out. Inflammation starts going up and motility starts dropping. So it gets harder to poop. It gets harder to digest. Everything gets harder. And the sad thing is you're not even aware about it. You can never heal with a chronically stressed gut. I've always found that calm and consistency create real progress when it comes to healing. What are we going to focus on in week 1 with Remove Week 1? Number 1, follow stage 1 food guidance, page 13 to 32 in your Lite guide. Number 2, reduce sugars, processed foods, but particularly junk foods. We want to really cut those out in this stage. We also want to cut out stimulating foods, alcohol and energy drinks, things like this. We want to increase hydration. So if you want to cleanse and clear the runway, you need to hose it all down. So you need plenty of water. So you need to drink water. When you get up in the morning, 1 to 2 glasses, 7 days a week without fail. Eat fiber-rich vegetables. Check out your Lite guide because I talk a lot about the correct type of vegetables and fruits to eat during this stage of the program. And the last one, aim for a couple of soft bowel motions a day. 1 bowel motion is good, 2 is sublime. See if you can do that. That's enough. Because I find small things done properly will beat big things done infrequently every single time. Some people may want to use a gentle bowel support. Some people like herbs, some people like psyllium, some people like aloe vera. I like magnesium. Magnesium oxide is usually quite a good thing to put in a bit of water. Take that before you retire at night. We'll talk about that later. If you do take supplements, they should feel supportive and not forceful. And my Yeastrix formulations were built around this calm, gut supportive, nervous system supportive approach. But their use is optional. Let's look at a few subtle improvements that will likely occur in the first 7 to 14 days. You'll find a little bit less bloating, a little bit less gas, easier bowel motions, easier elimination, a little bit more energy, and also a little bit better when it comes to sugar cravings. You won't crave sugar as much. And if that's happening, you're on track. But if it ain't happening, that's fine too, because some people's progress is a lot slower than others. In the next video, we're going to focus on something very specific, and it's called bowel flow. Now in this case, bowel flow is more important than cash flow when it comes to your body, because really good elimination is one of the strongest indicators that stage 1 is really working for you well. When that improves, everything gets easier and it paves for what's to come further down the track. If you haven't got your Lite guide at this stage, why didn't you download it? Go to candida.com and grab the Lite guide. It's free, 84-page guide. Let's pick 1 or 2 changes. It may be something like even just drinking a glass of water in the morning or eating an extra piece of fruit per day. Start there. And comment below. What's your biggest struggle right now? Is it constipation? Is it gas? Is it bloating? Is it itching? Is it sugar cravings? Let's make this a calm and steady progress. Stage 1 is all about preparation, and preparation is power. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch up with you in video 3. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you.